That is the biggest bee I have ever seen in my life.
There's a bee?
It's some sort of thing.
Should I grab it?
I kind of want a better view of it, honestly.
Want to slam the brakes so he lands on the hood?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. But, I'll slow down a little bit. So we come more into this side.
He's like, yeah!
Yeah! What's up, dude? Man, that's a big bug. Maybe that's an alien. Should I open the window? Alright. I was gonna look at a bug. Is there a seatbelt on?
Wow.
What is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna back away now. My God.